For this tutorial, I'd like to quickly demonstrate how to select a major in the system. A student can do this, him or herself, without relying on an academic advisor. Before I demonstrate this, I'd just like to briefly highlight the differences between the AA and the Aas degree, because obviously a student needs to know this before they're going to accurately select his or her major in the system. So for example, a lot of students get confused now because the AA degree is one code. So you're not getting an AA degree in this or an AA degree in that. You're getting an AA degree and then you're transferring into a bachelor's program in whatever you're majoring in. So for example, if you're transferring to, let's say, FAU for business or accounting, a student would select the AA degree, finish that here, graduate, and then transfer it into FAU for accounting, let's say. The Aas degree is a little different because that focuses more on occupational training. For example, if a student majors in nursing and planning on going into our RN program, that's specific training to be an RN. So many of those technical courses do not count for the AA degree and do not transfer into the bachelor's directly. The student in this scenario will have the AA degree, and then in this case the student is just going, they're not changing their major because they're declared as an AA, but they're just going to select which transfer institution and transfer major they plan on. So we log into our MyBC page. So we log in. Okay. Under the Advising tab, a student would simply click on Display Interactive Degree Audit right here. And remember to watch the other video tutorial on adding courses to your plan to show you how to get through this screen. But for now, we're just going to click See All Program Courses. Takes a second here. All right. So here's the degree audit itself. And again, in the other video, I talk a little bit about the degree audit and how it works. But for now, to see how easy it is to select your transfer major and transfer institution, you simply click right here. Click here to update transfer major and institution. Then we scroll down to the bottom, and here's transfer major and transfer institution. So let's say in this case the student changes his mind. Instead of FAU, Florida Atlantic University, let's say they want to go to FIU, let's say, for criminal justice, a bachelor's in criminal justice. So they would just look under C. Now, for some reason, criminal justice is not listed here. I'm not sure why. Oh, here it is, criminal justice studies. Okay, and we're going to make sure we select FIU. Okay, then we click the Save. Okay, and now that it's been saved successfully, okay, then we're going to go to the degree audit, click this degree audit button. Okay, and to get to the actual audit, we're going to click See All Program Courses again. And now you're going to notice here that even though the degree hasn't changed, it's AA degree code 1010, at least you selected your criminal justice as your transfer major, in this student's case, and then FIU, Florida International University, as transfer institution. Now, even though the major is the AA and that doesn't change, what does change by selecting your transfer major and institution is that the system pulls from a state database to tell you which university prereqs you should select under the areas in your audit specifically for this transfer major and institution. Now, criminal justice is not the best example for this because usually schools, the state universities for criminal justice majors don't really list any university prereqs. So this student would be able to meet with an advisor, devise his educational plan, and have a lot of leeway in choosing his electives here. But let's just say we would have chosen business, FIU business. Then it would have had a red asterisk here under business calculus and college algebra. In fact, let's go back and do this just to get familiar. So we go back to the same screen, and now we're just going to select business. Okay, and then again, let's put FIU. Or let's just put University of North Florida for this specific economics major. This school has that. But general management, business, accounting, all the other schools have that. But anyway, so we go back. We go back to the degree audit. I know there's quite a few clicks you have to get through, but bear with me. So we get back here. Now we're on the audit. Now we'll see that for business majors, you see the red number signs here for business calc statistics, and even under social sciences for group 2, behavioral group, you see economics. So that's basically the how to select your transfer major and institution in the system and the benefits of doing that.